So, like I said, all the MRT stations in Singapore have multiple exits. I'm just at the one that's across the mall, which is the Plaza Singapura Mall. There's actually one exit that is right under the mall, right over here. Yep. So, actually no, there are two exits that are connected to the train station to the mall. So you just need to follow the directions. This, of course, works best because it's usually very hot. So if you want to stay away from the sun, or if it rains, the multiple exits do help. So over here, you will see the signs telling you when the next train and the subsequent ones are coming. They are also color coded based on the different lines that you want to take. So we're going down, and some etiquette rules. If you are walking down or going up, you would stand on the right. If you intend to just stay still, that you need to stand on your left. Okay, there are lots of shops usually within the MRT station. So it's like an underground mall in itself. Alrighty, I'm going down again. So usually if it's underground, it's air conditioned. Oh, and we also do have this ticketing service kiosk available in all train stations. So let's say if you have a Simply Go or EasyLink card and you want to top it up, you can look out for these machines. And you would also see these signs around telling you the finable X, what that you can't bring and can't do. And if you have a PMD, it needs to be folded up and fit into that box as well. Okay, time to tap in.